Have you ever wondered how you can hide your input? Like because in my previous videos, when we are typing something, we tend to see what we are typing. So have you wondered how you can hide your input, what you are typing, so nobody can see that? That's basically what I'm going to explain and show you how you can do that when it comes to Python programming language. So let me just show you the basic first way when we type input. Let's say, let me try to input. Let me delete this. To input something, we'll tell the user to this. We by making this function, it takes words. I can put a test on it to let the person that is entering know what he or she entering. So you can say enter test. I can say enter test here. So let's say we want to display what was entered. So let me print it out. Let me make a little bit test on it. You can say you entered. Okay, let's run this and then let's get see our output. This is going to prompt me to enter a test. Let's say I entered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can see you entered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me run this again and show you something. You can see when I entered 1, 2, 3, 4, everything I'm entering here is showing. Let's say everything I'm entering here is showing. Let's say in a scenario where you go to maybe your Facebook to log in. You can see when you go to Facebook to log in, for example, when you are typing your password, most times it's not being shown unless you explicitly set it to show. In a situation where you don't want it to show, and that's basically what we are going to do in this video. I'm going to do it in a way that is not going to show. Anything we're typing here will not show when we're typing, because now right now I know what I'm typing. When I run it, it's going to tell me I entered this in, but I don't want this guy to show. I only want it to show when I'm done entering it. To be able to hide our password when we are entering it, like how we do it on our Facebook account, any account. We're going to make use of a library called getpass. So we're going to import it. Don't worry, it's a built-in Python library, so you don't need to install it. But in case of any way whereby it doesn't have it, you just go to your command prompt, just come down here, type your cmd, and then hit enter, and then just type pip install getpass. So let's just import it. We're going to say import get what pass. So this is it, get pass. What I say, we're going to replace this input with this get pass. So let's say we're going to be get pass dot what get pass again. So this is just basically going to hide our input. Anything that we're entering is basically going to hide it. So let me run this. You can see it tells me to enter your password here. Yes, I entered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see you can't see what I'm typing, but what will happen when I hit enter? You can see this is what I entered: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, I entered. You can see welcome to Easy Kids. You can see you can't basically see it, but when I hit enter, you are going to see welcome to Easy Kids. With the help of this getpass, we're able to hide our input. There are a whole lot of things that this getpass can do, but I just want us to focus on this getpass to hide our input, because we're going to make use of it. Let's say in a situation where we're doing automation, for example, we are trying to log into a particular password and I want to do it on a runtime, and we don't want somebody close by to see what we are typing, because your password can be really let's say in a situation whereby your password holds a whole lot of information, and maybe you use one password for almost all your accounts, and you don't want somebody just to badge into it and then know your password and then mess up your account. With this get password, we can actually hide what we are typing. But disadvantage this has that you don't know what you're typing. You know what you're typing, but if mistake is going to be a really huge problem for you, because you have to come back and retype it again. That's one of the drawbacks. But the advantage is that nobody can see what you're typing unless you explicitly let them to see it. That's just basically it. So that one of the strong advantage of this getpass to hide our input. This getpass automatically takes input, so you don't need to specify inputs any longer again. So I think this should be it for this video. If you enjoy it, or if you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and then turn on the notification bell, so in case if I drop any good awesome videos like I always do, you'll be the first to see it and then watch it. So I think we have come to the end of this video. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like I said earlier. Also subscribe. I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.